Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix potentially the issue that you have with echoing of sound if you're using a Vizio soundbar with your television. Now, more often than not, the large majority of these cases are going to be because you're getting sound out of your soundbar as well as sound out of your TV speakers, and that can cause an echoing effect. So in at least my experience, what I like to do is turn the volume down on my TV to 0 instead of muting, because often when you mute your television, it has a little mute icon somewhere on the screen, and you don't necessarily want to be looking at that all the time when you're watching something. So just take out the remote for your television and turn the volume down so it's at 0. And then, of course, the remote that you have for your Vizio soundbar, you can turn up and down the volume. Of course, however high that light goes, that means the volume's increasing. When it's going down, it's decreasing. So a good test for this is having the volume maybe somewhere around the middle with your TV volume at 0. Test it out to see if you're still getting that echo feedback that a lot of people can get when they're dealing with this situation, especially if it's the first time you're using a soundbar and you might not realize that you have to turn your television down to 0 before getting the ideal experience with that Vizio soundbar. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.